Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Welcome to the GGBO2021 adventure, where I try to figure out how to make a guitar and enter it in a global lutherie competition. We got ourselves a body-ish, we got ourselves a neck-ish, and now we're going to make those ishes into actuals and put them together and move on from there. Whatever the next step is. Oh, then I have to learn how to do electronics and solder. I have to buy a soldering gun. I'm not prepared or qualified for this adventure. It's like, come along, welcome back to the part. Whatever. Let's go.
Sitting here all alone, staring at this antique telephone, wondering how it all came down to this. No poems, no songs, no rights, no wrongs, no rocks I could put on your wrist are gonna help you see just what you done to me now. Now I don't make my bed in the morning, I don't put away my clothes. Some days I like to sleep until noon. I like the sand between my toes, so water in my hair and getting laid out on the beach under the moon. You know I'd always love you, you know I'd always care while I'm out past the break up in the waves. 'Cause that sparkle in the water reminds me of your eyes, and true love's gonna last forever, so they say. Sitting there waiting for you in this love seat that was made for two. Thinking to myself, I should've bought a chair. Now maybe it's the way I dress, or maybe it's the way I talk, or maybe it's the way I cut my hair while I sit and stare. And you're not there now, you're not there now. I don't make my bed in the morning, I don't put away my clothes. Some days I like to sleep until noon. I like the sand between my toes, so water in my hand, getting laid out on the beach under the moon. Well, you know I'd always love you, you know I'd always care while I'm out past the break up in the waves. 'Cause that sparkle in the water reminds me of your eyes, and true love's gonna last forever, so they say. She stalks you as you walk away. She'll leave you hanging by a thread with nothing left to say. You'll pick up speed 'cause she's always on your heels. Still she purses knowing you ain't got much left to feel. Oh, yeah. Well, she holds you close and makes you say, darling, just how much have you gone and stolen today? You hold on tight and she says, baby, please don't go too far, that you get you to play for her. And then she steals your guitar. You can treat her wrong, you can make her laugh, or you can sing her a song. When you fall asleep, you're bound to wake up alone. She mocks you all tucked in so tight. She'll tease you and then start a fight. You won't indulge 'cause you know it's what you want. It's what you want. Just trying to say goodbye, but it's your dreams that she's still home. Oh, 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 cause she'll be robbing you blind till the day you're dead.
Whatever, dude.
I think it was some old chicken.
On the next way up.
No,
Aren't you tired of living like you ain't got no choice? Your mind's all screaming loudly, still you ain't got no voice. You're mostly I'm here feeling like it's all a sham. When the final duck's in line's gonna be the end of time for the little man. Oh, 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 no, no, no. Now I'm staring at her oh so hard and she don't even wanna know my name. Love is at its highest cost and only the walls remain. We keep on flying up, blowing up and bailing on those we're befriending. All the while trying to smile while we keep on pretending. Oh no, oh, no, I ain't having that. No, 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 girl, you can't act. I won't be giving myself to your world, not for one more day. Living off the land, now there's a better plan. I gotta change my ways, yeah. watching babies die. And brother, won't you change that station just so I don't cry? But next thing that you know, I'm blinded, something's in my eyes. Oh no, no, I ain't having that. No, these days can't last. I won't be giving myself to your world, not for one more day. Living off the land, now there's a better plan. I gotta change my ways. Living off the land, now there's a better plan. Gotta change our ways, yeah. Ooh. Not for one more day. Living off the land, now there's a better plan. I gotta change my ways. Gotta give it all I can to be a better man. Lord, help me change my ways.
Well, it is officially time to bag this up and take it to a professional. If I deconnect and reconnect everything in here any more times, it's going to be more solder than component. So I have no shame in admitting that I am now taking this to an actual guitar tech to see if it's probably super simple. I probably have one wire somewhere going to the wrong thing, and they're going to open it up and go like, oh, well, that needs to go here. But we'll see. We'll see. Come back next time for the finale, and we will see if I have made something that is not just pretty, but will also make music. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye for now. We'll see. I'm frustrated, but I'm pleased. It's been an adventure. It's certainly been an adventure.